When trying to lose weight, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. There are countless diets, workouts, and products on the market that promise fast weight loss results. However, it's important to approach weight loss in a healthy and sustainable way. In this video, we will explore effective strategies for weight loss and provide some tips for beginners who are just starting their weight loss journey. Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel where we share tips and advice on living a healthy lifestyle. In today's video, we will be discussing effective strategies for weight loss and providing some tips for beginners. Losing weight can be a difficult and frustrating journey, but with the right approach, it's possible to achieve your weight loss goals in a healthy and sustainable way. So, let's get started. Effective strategies for weight loss. 1. Set realistic goals. Instead of setting unrealistic weight loss goals, set achievable goals such as losing a pound per week. 2. Focus on whole foods. Eating whole, nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help you feel fuller for longer periods of time. 3. Incorporate regular exercise. Exercise is essential for weight loss as it helps to burn calories and strengthen your body. 3. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise per day. 4. Practice mindful eating. Pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues, and avoid emotional or mindless eating. 5. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help to flush out toxins, reduce hunger, and improve digestion. Tips for beginners. 1. Start small. Don't overwhelm yourself with drastic changes. 1. Start with small goals like drinking more water or going for a 10-minute walk. 2. Find a support system. Surround yourself with people who support your weight loss journey. 2. This can be friends, family, or a weight loss group. 3. Keep track of your progress. Use a food or exercise journal to track your progress and celebrate small victories. 4. Be patient. Remember that weight loss takes time and effort. 4. Don't give up if you don't see results right away. 5. Focus on health, not just weight. Remember that weight loss isn't just about a number on the scale. It's about improving your overall health and well-being. Outro. Well, that's it for today's video on effective strategies for weight loss and tips for beginners. We hope you found these tips helpful and informative. Remember, weight loss is a journey, and it's important to approach it in a healthy and sustainable way. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.